Okay guys, so right now we finished the part number one of the lab, this one lab number 3 series circuit. We finished the part number 1 and part number 2. How can we measure the current measurement? Okay, to measure the current you have to do some step. This is the circuit that we did in the first part, and we're gonna do the second part. Let's start. So the first step, you have to measure, if you want to measure the current, or current here is milliamp. So you have to figure out, remove this one and connect it to MA milliamp, and then also move this one to, so connect the red one to milliamp. Also put this one here to MA. You can see here this is AC. Press this one, this is AC. Right now is to measure the current milliamp using the DC. Okay, let's start. Here firstly he asks about to make the apply voltage 5, and you have to measure the current. So in order to make sure this is 12, to change it to the 5 you have to remove this one, the red one, to the 5, and then right now the circuit is on the 5 volt. I can see this one yeah, on the 5 volt, and this circuit right now works. Okay, you can see here this is on the 5 volt, plus 5, the red on the plus 5. Okay, after do this one, you have to measure the current. In order to measure the current you have to do this. Number one, we figure out what the multimeter. Right now, how can you have to reconnect the circuit to do something very simple to measure the current. So I will show you what's that. To measure the current, we talk about this one. We change this one to the 5 voltage. We also have to connect something in between. To measure the current you have to connect it something in between the voltage and R1. So for example, I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do. Example, I'm gonna connect this one. You can cut the wire and connect this one between. So the black will touch R1 and W will touch the, so this one the black, this one are red. So the red will be here and the black will be here. In order to do that, I'm gonna disconnect this one, and this will go to will not go directly to resistor. This I will also bring this jumper wire, or and then connected red here and black here. Okay, and check the voltage in milliamp. So I'm gonna turn this one on and try to connect red here and the black here. You can see here the value is equal 0.88. This is the value. Okay, so the value for 5 volt, it's 0.488, and this is for 5 volt, and you have to do the rest for 9 volt and for 12 volt. You have to put here the measure value using digital multimeter as I show you here, and compare it with the calculated with using so the other part is this one, measure voltage 5 volt all, and the current that I told it's equal 0.88 here. This is milliamp. You have to find on 9 voltage what equal. You have to find 12 voltage what equal the current, and here you have to find the current using math calculation, and you have to find the error. What is the error between So the error, you can see here the error here equal measured current using digital multimeter minus calculated using by the math over calculated. So all these divided by calculated times 100. Okay, again, this one is measure. If I need, for example, if I need to measure for 12 volt, I have to connect this one on 12. This one I already set this one to the 12. I know this one equal 12. And then measure the current. I will try to do this one. Equal, I think, equal 2.1, around 2.1. Okay.